In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Shopify sold-out product. This can be a common issue for many online store owners, especially when managing stock or when items run out faster than anticipated. Luckily, with Shopify, it's quite straightforward to update your inventory, making sure your customers know precisely when they can expect products to be available again. Let's get started. First, we'll navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you'll have access to a menu on the left-hand side. This is your starting point for just about everything related to managing your store on Shopify. From there, click on the Products link. This will bring you to a new page displaying all the products you currently have on your Shopify store. Your page should list each product with its name, status, inventory, and pricing. It's a good overview of what needs your attention. Next, we're going to focus on the specific product that's showing as sold out. For this guide, let's say you're dealing with Example Shirt 2, which is just our placeholder name, but you'll select the relevant item that's displaying as out of stock. Clicking on this product will open up its detailed page. Here, you'll see all the specifics such as description, pricing, availability, and inventory details. Now, take a look at the availability section. This part of the page shows where your product is available to customers, such as your online store or other sales channels. If it's showing as unavailable, customers won't be able to purchase it, which may be because the inventory settings aren't updated. Simply click on Available to change this, which should allow your product to be sold again once you've adjusted the stock. Next, we need to update your product's inventory to reflect the current stock levels accurately. Look for a button or field that says On Hand or something similar. This is where you'll adjust the number to reflect how many units you have in stock. Make sure to double-check the figures, enter the correct number of items you have available, then save the changes. Updating the stock ensures that customers who want to purchase your product can do so, preventing them from seeing it as unavailable. Shopify will automatically update this number as sales occur, but it's always good to keep an eye on it, particularly if you sell your products through multiple channels or see a sudden spike in sales. And there you have it. A straightforward way to fix a sold-out product issue on your Shopify store. This not only helps maintain customer satisfaction, but also ensures you don't miss out on potential sales. If you keep up with these inventory checks regularly, it can significantly streamline your operations and enhance your overall store management. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes managing your Shopify store a little bit easier.